Welcome to our tutorial on the %trim_r bolt-in function in IBM. Today, we'll explore how this function helps clean up trailing blank spaces or specific characters from the end of a string. The %trim_r function is used to remove trailing spaces or other characters from a string. Its basic syntax is %trim_r string characters to trim. Here, string is the value you want to trim, and characters to trim is optional, specifying which characters should be removed. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we have the following code in RPGLE. Here's what each part does. First, we declare str1 with trailing spaces and str2 with trailing zeros and spaces. We used %trim_r to remove trailing spaces from str1 and trailing zeros spaces from str2. After running the code, you'll get spaces RPGLE and $*5.27. In summary, %trim_r is a powerful function to clean up strings by removing unwanted characters from the end. It can handle trailing spaces and specified characters effectively. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %trim_r bolt-in function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more IBM tutorials. See you next time.